What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best vlogging cameras in 2023 through extensive research and testing. I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. We'll start our list of reviews with the GoPro Hero 11 Black, which in our opinion, as well as the reviews and experiences of our reviewers, is the best action vlogging camera on the market in 2023. We don't have much to say about the appearance and packaging of the GoPro Hero 11. They're the same as the GoPro Hero 10. The only thing that's changed is the outside of this latest GoPro camera. This is convenient because if you have one of the previous versions, you can also use batteries and accessories from the Hero 10 or 9 for the Hero 11. Beginners who have never seen an action camera up close have nothing to fear with the GoPro Hero 11. It's equipped with an easy mode. Thanks to presets, photo, video, and time-lapse, you get stunning results. Professional mode unlocks all presets and gives you full control over all modes and settings. With the GoPro Hero 11, you don't get a blue battery, but a white one, the Enduro battery. It has the same format as its predecessors, but has 2 improvements to its credit. In normal conditions, it lasts up to 38% longer and is more resistant to cold, useful if you go skiing, for example. The GoPro Hero 11 features a new sensor that provides the widest view ever seen on a GoPro camera, an 8:7 aspect ratio. The image may look a little strange, but your GoPro can extract whatever resolution you want without losing quality. 16:9 for your videos, 9:16 for your social media, etc. Additionally, you now get 27 megapixel photos instead of 23 with older models like the GoPro Hero 10. The horizon lock is perfect proof of how excellent stabilization has been improved in this model thanks to HyperSmooth 5.0. When activated, it keeps your horizons perfectly horizontal, even when rotating 360 degrees. Perfect for vloggers or athletes who are not sure of their hands. Don't think going out at night won't work either. There are various night effects options available in this model that can be quite game changers, such as Star Trails mode, where stars draw light trails, or Vehicle Lights mode, which works with traffic lights, painting, where moving lights create brilliant brushstrokes effects throughout your images. Good stuff. If you're looking for the best value vlogging camera on the market in 2023, then look no further than Sony's ZV-1. It boasts an advanced compact 1-inch sensor that's capable of producing clear images and videos with superior clarity, making it ideal for vloggers looking to up their game. With a side-tilting LCD screen, directional microphone, and features specifically designed to appeal to video creators, this camera offers much more versatility than a typical smartphone camera could ever provide. Not only does it improve upon mobile phones regarding blur, sound quality, and autonomy, but also provides an incredibly easy shooting experience for anyone wanting to make great content. The fully foldable screen, along with 3 capsules on the directional microphone, makes recording easier than ever before, while the specialized buttons allow users to quickly switch between different modes and settings without having to fiddle around with menus or options. Plus, it has a mini jack input, so you can connect external devices or play music while recording videos. The advanced 1-inch Exmor RS CMOS sensor combined with the 24-70mm 1.8 2.8 lens from the RX100V model creates images of stunning clarity that'll have your followers in awe. And there are plenty of features tailored towards vlogging, such as 4K resolution at 30p with the option of full HD at 120p in both XAVCS and AVCHD formats, as well as slow motion or time-lapse recording options. Additionally, its hybrid log gamma image profile paired with S-Log3 curve makes editing your recordings a breeze. Plus, its improved AF system with 315 AF points and 0.03 seconds focus speed now includes animal detection capabilities, making sure no furry friend outruns you during your next shoot. But wait, there's more. With 2 dedicated buttons on the camera body, you can quickly activate bokeh mode for easily blurring faces from the foreground or switch into product showcase mode, which prioritizes close-up focus for easier product videos. Lastly, Sony included a hybrid tripod mount that allows wireless control of the camera via Bluetooth, making it simple enough even for those new to videography. Talk about user-friendly. Offering performance and convenience like no other device has before, Sony ZV-1 continues to be one of the top value vlogging cameras available in 2023, so don't miss out on this amazing opportunity. The next product on our review list is the DJI Pocket 2. Also known as the best pocket vlogging camera available on the market in 2023, the DJI Pocket 2 is a new generation of pocket cameras with built-in 3-axis stabilization, a touchscreen, and excellent recording capabilities. The latest model has received improvements that will surely interest vloggers. Sports cameras like the GoPro Hero 9 are often used in sports, dynamic footage, or attached to a helmet as driving recorders. Many different recording modes, i.e. face and object tracking, motion lapse, slow motion, panoramas, history live streaming will allow you to prepare interesting footage for vlogging without carrying additional equipment with you and without much post-production. Due to the lack of waterproofing and moving parts, the mechanical part will not replace a sports camera, but it's one of the best options for fluid shots of the environment, landscapes, and people. The camera and accessories are precisely built, quite solid with elements that fit well together, all made out of quality non-stick plastic. The design of this camera itself is almost no different from its predecessor, DJI Osmo Pocket, but still looks modern while attracting attention due to its very compact dimensions that can easily fit in any trouser pocket. Pocket 2 is equipped with a small 1-inch touchscreen, which can be used both for viewing, changing settings, or taking photos at maximum resolution of 64 megapixels, thanks to its 1.7-inch sensor, which surpasses its predecessor's 2.3-inch sensor, resulting in better quality photos and videos even at night. Its optics have improved too, having now 93-degree angle view, focal length 20mm instead of 80-degree, focal length 26mm, perfect for selfie mode and capturing everything from one arm's length plus many landscapes. Autofocus has been significantly improved over its predecessor since it uses hybrid AF 2.0, working better and faster than ever before. Not only has picture improved, sound recordings have improved too. Depending on your selected photo-video resolution, you can zoom from 4 to 8 times, including 4 times lossless. Moreover, DJI boasts 8 times zoom. If you're looking for a powerful and feature-rich camera to take your vlogging to the next level, then the Panasonic Lumix GH6 is the one for you. It's currently the best premium vlogging camera in 2023, offering excellent image quality and an impressive array of features that make it stand out from its competitors. The robust magnesium alloy body features a dust and splash-resistant rating and provides superior durability, while still keeping the size and weight small enough for portability. Plus, it has a familiar SLR-style design with a bump on top to accommodate the viewfinder and shoe, as well as grips sticking out on the right side, making it easy to handle even if you're new to cameras. When it comes to specs, there's no denying that this is one powerful hybrid model. With its 25.2 megapixel sensor and one of the largest selection of video options ever seen in a mirrorless camera, the Panasonic Lumix GH6 has definitely made a name for itself as an industry leader when it comes to image quality and stabilization. Its 3-inch touchscreen also stands out, with its dual-hinge design allowing maximum flexibility when shooting from awkward positions. Other features include dedicated headphone and microphone jacks for recording high-quality audio, full-size HDMI output for external monitoring, recording, and USB-C support with future firmware update. If you can afford this beast, we say go for it. And now, Sony ZV-E10 is easily one of the best vlogging cameras you could find in 2023. Not only is it lightweight and compact, making it easy to take with you on the go, but its features make it perfect for content creators and photographers alike. Its OLED LCD touchscreen has a 176-degree variable angle and side opening for convenient framing and selfies when needed. Plus, attaching an ergonomic holder, sold separately, with Bluetooth will give you remote control without having to worry about cables getting in the way. This camera is equipped with a 25-megapixel Exmor CMOS-type APS-C sensor that offers excellent quality photos and videos. It also features fast hybrid AF and real-time IAF technology that ensures target focusing won't lose sight of other subjects on screen. You can enjoy plenty of options within the ISO range from 100 up to 32,000, or automatic mode from 100-6400, plus intelligent digital zoom feature going all the way up to 8 times for films. The larger sensor compared to a smartphone lens means images are captured with much more detail, clarity, depth, and color balance than before, all while being 10 times bigger in size. Even in high-traffic environments, the built-in directional 3-capsule microphone offers high-quality sound recording capabilities. And if you need extra grip support, there's an option to attach an ergonomic holder for comfortable usage for long shoots. This device has everything you could want in a vlogging camera, from cutting-edge features to great performance, all rolled into one convenient package. The Sony ZV-E10 is definitely worth considering if you're looking for a capable camera that can truly take your content creation game to the next level. Overall, this model delivers top-level performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it. So that's it for the top 5 best vlogging cameras in 2023. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive the notifications about our latest video.